Alrighty, here's an interesting one for you, and I even had to mark this pick, and the only way to mark it, because I don't have a key for this, and I don't even think using a key would actually help you with marking this. And I'll show you why once I get it opened. Like that. This is an unranked lock here. This is the Vachette HDI. The only video I found of it being picked, I didn't search super hard, but was Lock Noob. As you can see, that is picked. We can go past 45, nothing in there holding that up. Uh-oh. I don't have a key, so it's a pain in the butt to gut. I just don't want to lose this open. I mean, it's not that hard to pick, obviously. I ranked it as blue because until I pick marked, I got nowhere with it. Well, damn. That thing shot the fuck off. You know, I think I lost a Sparrow's follower, too. I'll bet you that's... Oh, never mind. No, I didn't. I lost my Moki, my favorite Moki tensioner. Alright. So, let's see what's going on here. Because it looks like we have some passive pins on the side here. We do. Oh boy. Boy, this thing's pretty neat. And I want to show you why this is actually so hard. Shit. I hope this is right. I'll be able to tell by the key pins probably. Come on out of there. I can't even get a pick in there right to get this out. There we go. This came with the French box from Clef, actually. Clef Time sent a box of French locks to the United States for us to pass around, pick, and rank. This is unranked, which is one of the reasons I actually picked it on video. Stainless steel big springs, which means if you don't get a pin the whole way set, it will drop. And some of these pins are hard to lift as high as they need to be lifted. And that's a lie. I actually know that this one goes here because that's the highest lift one. I will check my video to make sure I did put this thing back together right. But big stainless steel springs. Oh, and there is a spooled key pin there in the back. Huh. The other one that I saw picked did not have that spool. Okay, so nothing special in this plug here besides a sidebar cutout, which I assume is for these passive pins here that I don't know what do. Ah, there we go. Okay, so this Vachette HDI actually has some passive pins in it. That it appears, and it's got 2 cutouts for those passive pins in there. And 2 sets of them. One on the top of the ledge here, and one on the bottom of the ledge here. And I'm assuming those would go in dimple cuts on the side of the key. So if you had a key with the correct bitting, but the wrong passive pins here, it would still lock it up there, almost like a sidebar would. But now let's see if you can see this, and you can't. Because it's dirty. Let me see if I can get the phone in there. Let's see if we can't show these a little better. Okay. Let me get this to focus right here. Basically, so the way this works is these key pins here actually have a nub on the tip, right? And they actually sit down in, and you see this ledge that they ride on, kind of like the D12, the pins sit on a ledge. That tip actually drops into the ledge. So you can't flag, you cannot use a flag with this. What I found did work was a Jimmy Long's deep round, and what I did was I went in the lock first and I just pushed up on the pin, and wherever it went up I marked, and I just did that the whole way back. Wherever I felt it give, I marked, and then that at least helped me know when I was on a pin. But it looks like we've got 5 pins, 4 standard, a spool in the end, and then up to 9 passive pins. And there's those bottle nosed key pins. And then these steel springs are super, super strong. So if you don't get something quite set, it will drop. I assume that's what this spool is meant to do in the end, but this binds first in this lock and probably didn't do what they wanted it to. But yeah, there you go. There's the Vachette HDI picked and gutted for you guys.